Good day, everyone. Time for J7409 weather. And this picture you're looking at is in Houston, Texas. It was sent in by Chris Williams. Chris, thank you so much for the picture you sent me. This one in particular caught my interest because Chris says the ditch was full. It had started to flood, and you can see very well the water is coming up from all edges. And what you see coming down, you would think would be hail. But that's heavy rain. That's not hail. Chris said this was heavy, heavy rain. Chris, thank you so much for sending these pictures in. I appreciate it so very much. Also, I had a subscriber send me a comment. J7409, in Louisiana, we're having baseball-size hail. All vehicles seem to be lost around me at this time. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry that happened to you guys. I'm telling you, baseball hail, very possible in some of these storms. I've got more about this and more of the weather in general, all coming up on. Here we have a look at the severe weather map for the entire lower 48. Folks, I've told you, just because you're not in a marginal area doesn't mean you cannot receive a thunderstorm. And if your air conditions are right, you could have a severe thunderstorm. These thunderstorms are popping up everywhere with severe weather. I keep trying to tell you people that. So anywhere in the green, if you're in the green, be aware, my friends, and watch your skies. Now, strong storms with enhanced wind gust and hail is possible today across parts of the southeast Texas area, Louisiana, and Mississippi, as you see right up in here. Now you see this? Well, you know what? This is from an entirely different thunderstorm line from a different system. Now, this is going to have strong wind gust, hail, and all of this is going to be possible with heavy rain across the central Appalachians into upstate New York. As you can see, here's the Appalachians going through Pennsylvania all the way up into New York, clipping just the corner of northwestern New Jersey. Be aware, my friends, watch your skies if they start to change. Please make sure you keep your eye on them, and if you need to go to a safe place, do it. Taking a look at the NDFD map here. Most of the severe weather for the 12Z run today is down where you see the red here in portions of Louisiana, traveling over into a little of Mississippi, looking like Louisiana. This is the most severe thunderstorms for you guys today. Remember, anywhere you see an orange line with lines going through it, possible severe thunderstorms could hatch up and happen. As you see, going all the way up, heavy rain in Pennsylvania, parts of central Pennsylvania, I should say. They have that chance of severe storms popping up. Also, it's going to push on up into New York, as I was saying earlier. Heavy rain in parts of Mississippi, Louisiana, and eastern Texas, all the way down south in this area. Heavy rain. I hate to tell you folks this. Houston, bless their hearts, they've got flooded in places so very bad. Water rescues going on yesterday. Who knows what is happening this morning? Rain, and more rain, and it looks like you're going to get some more today. Also, over in the western sections, heavy rain. Possibility of more severe storms popping up in all of this area. Heavy rain in New Mexico. Parts of Utah going over to California. Now, this is the 12Z run today. Later in the afternoon on the 18Z run, you can see how the heavier rain and the possibility for severe thunderstorms pop up. They move over into Mississippi a little more and the coastline of Louisiana. This heavy rain spreads into Alabama, parts of South Carolina, middle parts of Florida, moving all the way up. You guys are going to get some rain up in Maine. Midnight Saturday, here's the run. It looks like the most severe thunderstorms now are off the coastline. Let's hope it keeps moving that way. However, you see the lines, you see the hatching places that it can still happen. Now, this is at 6 a.m. Saturday, tomorrow morning. Heavy rain still in Texas at 12Z run for Saturday. Still in that eastern section of Texas, just about the entire state of Louisiana, parts of Arkansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Tennessee, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, more heavy rain can happen. Midnight tomorrow night, this won't let up. Remember the video I did on I saw the highest Cape readings? I told you guys all this stuff was coming. Now, as far as we can go is Sunday at 12Z, and the most severe of the thundershower activity should be over. You guys in Texas, Louisiana, should get a break from the heavy rain. If you get some, like it looks you might, it should be very light, maybe splash and dash on and off showers. Let's hope that happens. But don't forget, you see where the lines are. Anywhere in these areas, and it goes over down into New Mexico. All the way up to North Carolina where these lines are. Parts of Tennessee, most of South Carolina, most of Alabama and Georgia and the panhandle of Florida, also down for the Keys and in Louisiana. We still have that chance, I'm saying chance, that some thunderstorms could pop up. So please, please be aware of this and don't let your guard down. Just enjoy your Mother's Day weekend, but watch your skies. So if something were to pop up, you'd be ready. And moving along, this is the GFS map. This is the very latest run for today, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. I'll turn it on, and here we go, folks. We got a slow-moving front extending from the lower Great Lakes southward to the western Gulf Coast. Now, it's going to move off the northeast and northern mid-Atlantic coast by tomorrow morning. Now, the southern half of the boundary will become quasi-stationary from southern mid-Atlantic to the western Gulf Coast, lower Mississippi Valley through Sunday. What's going to happen? Rain will develop along a line near the front of the lower Great Lakes, northeast southwestward to the Tennessee Valley. That's going to move off the northeast coast by tomorrow morning. This afternoon, showers and thunderstorms are going to develop along and ahead of the cold front. That's what's going to bring the chance of severe weather over the mid-Atlantic into the Tennessee Valley. That will likewise move off the mid-Atlantic coast by some point tomorrow. Now, along the southern half of the boundary, showers and thunderstorms are going to develop over parts of the lower Mississippi Valley, western Gulf Coast, and parts of the southern plains through this afternoon. We have a weakening upper level impulse over the lower Mississippi Valley. It should move into the southeast by tomorrow. Now, the energy from that will aid in developing showers and thunderstorms over parts of the southeast and central southern Appalachians by tomorrow. Overnight tomorrow night, the showers and thunderstorms will move into the southeast mid-Atlantic and continue right on into Sunday. Additional upper-level impulses from northwestern Mexico will move northeastward to the middle Mississippi Valley by Saturday afternoon, and this is going to bring showers and thunderstorms that should move out of the southern high plains over the central and southern high plains into the middle lower Mississippi Valley by Saturday afternoon, and into parts of the Ohio, Tennessee valleys by Saturday night, right on into Sunday. Meanwhile, we have an upper level low over Kenya, which should slowly move into parts of northwest Mexico by Sunday. Now, the energy should trigger rain over parts of California into the southwest and into the central southern Rockies, with some snow over the highest elevations of the central Rockies through tomorrow morning. Rain with daytime embedded thunderstorms will continue over parts of California into the southern Rockies through Sunday. Then we have another developing upper low. Now, it's over the northern high plains. It should develop tonight. Now, it should move southeastward to parts of the upper middle Mississippi Valley by Sunday, and the energy from this is going to trigger rain over parts of the northern Rockies, northern high plains that will expand into parts of the northern plains by tonight at some point, now into Sunday. And that's a check of your weather today. I hope everyone is doing well. Please stay safe. Watch your skies. If you see your skies start to change drastically fast, please make sure you have a safe place to go to if you need to. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Thank you so much for everything you do for me. Peace, love, and kindness to all. Thanks for watching.